Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make Firefox always underline links on web pages, ensuring better visibility and accessibility. Whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, this method works like a charm. By default, Firefox does not underline links, making it challenging for some users to distinguish between them. To enable this feature on your Firefox browser, first open it on your PC and then click on this one menu icon on the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Firefox settings, select this one general tab in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom to find this one browsing section. Here you need to check the option always underline links. Just check this one option to enable this feature. Now when you will browse any website, all the links will be underlined as you can see in the screen. And if you want to disable this one feature, just uncheck this one option always underline links. This will remove underlines that were made by Firefox on those web pages.